Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. I'm not trying to be too loud because my mom is sleeping. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a back to school lookbook. So yeah, I'm trying to make it as appropriate as possible because as you guys know, I don't really got a dress code. But I have a dress code at my school, but not like strict, you know, but it's obviously some rules. But I'm going to show you guys my outfits, but I first gotta get my shoes, and this video is gonna really help me because my shoe closet looks crazy. I know you wanna like a baddie because who doesn't want to like a baddie on the first day of school or just the whole year back to school? I mean, that's your thing. But yeah, so let's get right into it. And my shoe closet is really close to my mom, so I'm gonna try to be very quiet. This is my secret closet, guys. And yes, I know I have my shirt on inside out, but I have a stain and I don't want that stain to be showing, so we're just gonna keep it like this, okay? Shh. Y'all ready? Well, y'all can't really see the bottom, but we're gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. And your girl also cracked her phone today, so we just love that. Yeah, this right here, my shoes boxes are like tilting and stuff. I can just throw this box away because my school threw in my Air Forces. Show you guys what I'm talking about because this is like basically like 2 weeks worth of shoes because I only have like 5 days out of the week that I actually like. I go somewhere every single day, but you know what I'm saying? Alright guys, so I know y'all see all these shoes and there's literally more. Hold on, let me see if I can show you guys. Like my Uggs and boots and all that stay there, but with the stickers on top, yeah. And no, I don't throw them there. My mom does. My mom doesn't care for my shoes. She just throws them, you know. Yeah. These are gonna be my lookbook because I freaking wear these all the time. I freaking love these. They're so dirty. See, my mom just throws even my expensive shoes. Like, why? Alright, and I also picked out these for my lookbook. These are the only all white shoes I have because literally the other ones are thrown away. So I go back to school shop and I'm gonna buy some more Air Forces if they have any. Alright, so these are definitely gonna be my lookbook. My lookbook, I wear these almost every single day. These like my well, they used to be my freaking worst shoes. I really don't wear these anymore, I'm not gonna lie. And also these two because it's all black. I was not even thinking of this at first, honestly. But y'all couldn't watch me put these other shoes that I'm not gonna put back because this is pissing me off. Guys, so here's the first outfit. It's like pretty basic and simple, something where it's like you want to look cute but you don't want to do too much. So yeah, like the skirt is what's doing a lot, but the shirt is like basic. And honestly, when I put this on, I was walking around, I kind of looked naked for a second. And I know some schools don't allow, and I know some schools do not allow the spaghetti straps or thin straps, whatever you want to call them. So just wear a denim jacket, okay? My school does not give a damn. They just don't. Like, shoulders is not gonna do nothing. I'm not gonna. How you attracting somebody with shoulders? I know that's what it says probably in some people's school rules, but it doesn't bother my school. But yeah, my school doesn't care because as long as it is a full shirt, they do not care. So yeah, this was like obviously a big distressing part, but it came apart after a while. Even though I did not wear the skirt a lot. This whole outfit is from Forever 21. No, it's not sponsored, but it should be, but it's not. Wait, I'm gonna show you guys the shoes. Duh. Alright guys, so I wanted to just show you guys my shoes real quick before I actually give you details about the outfit. But here are the shoes. You know. As you guys can see, the tan goes perfect with the bodysuit. And also, these make me look really tall. That's why I love them so much. My bodysuit is from Forever 21. I got it for $3 because it was on sale. I'm pretty sure this was like a medium, and I just really wanted it because of the bodysuits. I just brought it anyways. That's why it's kind of like loosely fitted on me, but I didn't really care because it was only like $3. Then my skirt, I did not get this on sale. This was $30. Yeah, so very affordable outfit. Not too much going on, you know, because it matches the shoes. My shoes is the only thing that's really expensive out of this whole outfit, so yeah, these shoes are from Gucci. You guys saw them already. And that's basically this whole outfit. It's very cute. Alright guys, this is the second outfit, as you guys could see. you guys a little 360 because I'm going to show you guys 360 in the first outfit. This is the second one. This is like very, I don't know, school appropriate. So yeah, it's very school appropriate because everything is covered, you know. The shorts is like, they're not, like they're short. Well, they're not shorts, you know, like they don't obviously cover my whole butt area. Plus they're like loose fitted, they're not tight fitted, so it's perfect. And they're also high waisted if you want to wear crop top. This shirt is just a bathing ape shirt. I don't know where I got this from because my dad bought it for me, but you can always Google it. This shirt ranges from $89, I think, to $100. But my shorts are from Runway. Alright guys, here are the shoes. Obviously I wear socks with my sneakers, but listen, I don't feel like keep taking them off because, you know, I don't have time. So yeah, my sneakers are from Louis Vuitton, but you can always find you some Adidas that are just like these. I'm gonna do it the old-fashioned way. Put your feet up so you guys can see the full effect, but that's basically the whole outfit. So yeah, on to outfit number 3. I love how I say that, you know, I don't feel like taking off, put on socks, and then I'm over here putting on socks. If you're wondering where my lip gloss is from, it's from India, Royale, or Royal, whatever you guys want to call it. Cosmetics. Alright guys, so this is the third outfit. Yeah, this is like the first week of school and you have to like bring a book bag with you. You just carry like a little mini purse, like there's like a little clutch or whatever. You know, you have no papers, you know, but you really do. But you can't carry it, so you gotta keep it in your locker. I want to say African Mall, but I'm not too sure, but hopefully I'm right. Anyways, I'm pretty sure this outfit's from African Mall. It's an all black set and the crop top is just a long sleeve. It has like the little cutout for the thumb. Then it has like the little zipper that you could zip up if you want to. Keep it like that, but it'd be choking me, so I honestly gotta keep it down. I don't know. Also long sleeve, and since the biker shirts are high-waisted, you're not showing that much skin. Here, oh shoot, here are my shoes. I'm sorry guys, I almost like bumped into my vanity. But these are just some Yeezys. I don't know what these are called, but they're all black. And the laces are the only thing on here that's reflective because they do have the same pair, but they're all reflective. And those are like $1,000 and I'm not paying that. But you guys, now on to outfit number 4. Alright guys, so this is outfit number 4. As you guys can see, I have on the same biker shorts. They're just the black silky ones, the same ones from the 2-piece set. That's what I love about 2-piece sets. You know, you can like switch it around, flip it out and all that. So you don't gotta actually wear like the same 2-piece together. You can just switch it out. So my shirt is from Runway. If you guys watched my huge summer haul, you would have knew that. So promo. But this shirt was like $2. And it's the same material as the shorts, which makes it perfect, you know, because like, I don't know what's about me, but I don't like when like I try to like mix something together and the material doesn't really match. Like, you know, like if this was ripped material, I really don't think I would wear it with this because it's like it bothers me. I don't know why. Are my shoes that I chose to match it, like a little calm, comfy outfit when you just want to be comfortable. These are called the Emperor 700s. My boyfriend got these for me for my birthday, so I don't know where he got them from, but because I told you guys I came from my white Adidas socks, so you gotta wear these socks. But alright guys, we're on the 5th outfit, I think. I'm not too sure. And I always say this in all my videos because it's so true. Like, if you wear a 2-piece set, people gonna look at you like, oh my gosh, you really tried so hard. And you really didn't, but if you want to be a hater, you can. I didn't realize how short this shirt was. I did wear this shirt before. Did wear this whole outfit before. So what you could go do is go like my pictures. Gonna be somewhere on the screen. Thank you very much. This outfit is from Baddie. I'm pretty sure it's around $25. I'm pretty sure it's not no more than $30 for the 2-piece set. And my Fashion Nova jacket that everybody keeps asking me where it's from is only $30, I think. But here's a 360 of the outfit. It's really cute, you know. And I also paired them with the same shoes again because it's like a bluish tint to these shoes, especially at the tongue, which really goes with this outfit really well. Oh yeah, here's a close-up of my chains. Aren't they so pretty? MTO Apparel and Yavini. Alright guys, I had to come back with this outfit because I forgot to show you guys the glasses to match. I forgot to include the glasses. Like, you gotta have a little bit of accessory, you know what I'm saying? I got a little drip, a little flavor. These glasses are from Fashion Nova and these were like on sale for like $5, I believe. If you guys saw my Fashion Nova haul, y'all would know. Period. One thing about me, I like to like mix different shades of like the same color. You know what I'm saying? Not the same shade, but the same color. Like, you know, blue. Like, I put like a little sky blue, a deeper sky blue, a lighter sky blue, as you guys can see. Yeah, so we're on to the 6th outfit, and I never wore these glasses, so let me just take the glasses off. Let me just take the... And so I have on this top from Baddie. It was on sale for $8. I think it's originally $16. And then my jeans, are from Fashion Nova. I never wore these, but these are like so freaking distressed. And I know some schools don't allow distressing, but you can just wear leggings, and my school does not care if we wear rips in our jeans, as long as it's not like a big, you know, like this whole thing, which is like one hole. Then I have my Yeezys, which are the clay Yeezys. Yeah, I got these off of Stadium Good. Period. We're giving you orange vibes, sunburst vibes, sun kiss vibes. Here's my 7th outfit. Of course, it's black because I love the color black. Obviously, because it goes with everything. But my shirt is a bodysuit, a black bodysuit. I think it's like a low V-neck, but I'm trying to keep it as high as possible. Cause I really don't like it because it shows too much. But it's from it's from Fashion Nova, and it was $20. I had cat hair, cause my cat goes everywhere. The school skirt is from Loop Sana, and I'm pretty sure it's around $25. So yeah, it gave me like school vibes. Like, I never wore this skirt, but it's so cute. This is some Tommy Hilfiger shoes from Macy's. They were about around $150 to $200. And so yeah, they just have the TH, and I feel like this gives me like the school thing because of the plaid. And then my skirt is like a little pencils, like little flurry skirt. I don't know what to call this. Alright, you guys, I hope you guys are ready for another black outfit, because guess what? Here it is. Hey guys, this is like a casual, little comfy. I keep saying that, but like, listen, when you're at school, you want to be casual and comfy, right? After the first week of school is done dressing up, feel me? So I'm just giving you guys options. So my shirt is from Nike. I don't know where I got it. Oh, I got it from the Nike's outlet, upstate. It was $35. Here's my little accessories, my mini book bag that Dolls Kill sent me. I freaking love this book bag. It's so freaking cute. It's my first time putting it on for this video, and just in general, and I freaking love it. Like, check me out. I would wear this like on the first week of school, you know, because like, don't give me no papers. When I wear this, don't give me no freaking papers. I'm gonna tell my teachers, when I come in with this bag on, that means I come out with nothing. I don't know what you call these type of pants. I know they're bell bottoms, but I don't know what Nike calls them. But yes, these pants. They also dry fit. I bought these off of POSHMARK for around, I think, $15. $360 on a bit. $360 on a bit. And it has a hidden pocket in the bag, which is like a hole when it's not. And then I have my Concord 11s, but these are around $200, I believe. 8, right? This is 8, 9, I think. I don't know. Next outfit. Okay, so this is the last but not least outfit, and this is the most brightest one. My jacket is from Runway. It was around $23 or $19, 19 to 23. I don't know why I keep going from highest to lowest, honestly. That's just how I do it. Don't know why. Anyways, this is a crop little lime green. It's like lime green, but it's giving me like, I don't know, like a pastel lime green type of vibe, like, because this is actually lime green right here, and this doesn't really match at all. I like to, like, you know, mix and match the same color but different shades of the color. So I got this going on. This is also from Runway, and I got this because I thought it was gonna match this, but it doesn't. This was like, I know, not more than $10, but I think it was like around $8. I just feel like it's so cute. Like, this outfit is cute. This is like an outfit I'm actually gonna wear the first day, not the first day of school, but like the first week of school. Like, I feel like I should wear this outfit on the first week of school. Like, cute. I feel like when you just put on like a bright like jacket or anything in general, like with a basic outfit, it just works. Top, this bodysuit is from Forever 21. It's around $15 to $20, not more than $25, I'm pretty sure. So it's very inexpensive, and since it has a, you know, skinny spaghetti straps, and some schools you can't wear that, jacket covers it. Hello. My pants are from Fashion Nova as well. You guys already know Fashion Nova for all my jeans, period. That's it. And these have like the little knee slips, and it's just basic light wash jeans, and light wash goes to like bright neon colors like this. And these were around $30. And then I have my all white true white Vans, but these were $50, no more than $60, I'm pretty sure. And I got these from Journeys. So $360 on my full outfit. This is like actually so cute. Like, I'm dead gonna wear this on the first week of school. Like, Well, but I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for making me grow. I'm still growing. I'm almost at 103,000 subscribers. We just keep on growing. I want to thank you guys so much for all your love and support. I really appreciate you guys so much. Like, you guys don't understand. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos of me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Comment video ideas for me to do next, because I'm kind of running out of ideas. So I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for the love and support once again. I really do appreciate it. Bye, pretties.